Hello YouTube. Today is Friday, May 3rd, 2013, and I just wanted to get a quick video in for you. I recently acquired a Samsung Galaxy S3. I acquired it extremely cheaply because, I'm not sure how well you can see that. That's what's left of the glass there. I just got that off. It was rather meticulous detail work to pick off the tiny pieces before I could peel the whole thing off as one unit. Anyway, there are a number of videos on how to do that. What I hadn't found was a video for when you screw up and you cut the little cable at the very base of your Galaxy S3. That's down where the menu and return buttons are. Well, I did that, and I was thinking, oh shit, I just screwed up, now I have to buy a new screen for $200. Well, it's not quite true. If you search YouTube, oh sorry, not YouTube, if you search Amazon or eBay for, where's the original term? Menu return button flex cable. I just searched for Galaxy S3 menu return on Amazon. That found it. You can get these for between $15 to $25, and you can obviously see where I cut through it right there. And for size reference, what can I give you? There's a guitar pick. It came as part of the kit for replacing the screen. So this is quite small, and what I saw was this, like so, down there. The resolution is not very good on this. This is the iPod 4th generation camera. I actually got the S3 to upgrade it as my mobile computing device. So, however well you can't see that, there's this little ribbon cable that slides in to this connector right here. As far as I can tell, the connector doesn't move at all. It doesn't shift upward like some of the micro connectors do. You just pull it straight out. This area down here is adhesive, so you have to peel that up. Then the cable routes underneath there, and comes out here. Now, I was trying to figure out how the hell am I going to get this to work? In other words, how do I put the replacement in, given that it's just enough space down there for the flex cable, which is, I don't know, some tiny fraction of a millimeter thick. And what you have to fit through is this circuit board. Fortunately, the circuit board is quite thin, but there's issues. Again, you probably can't see it. There's not very good resolution on this, but there's a recess here where the ribbon cable lies. It goes in here, and then there's a plastic lip. You might be able to see this textured edge here. I took this little razor and I shaved the plastic down, which is something I had to do to be able to fit this piece in this orientation down through there. It's a tight fit, but it does fit. You do at the same time have to take some pins, and what I did was I wedged them down in there gently. One I wedged down right under there, that position, and another I wedged across about here through there to help push this up. And that was just enough that I could feed this, which is the cutoff piece, but it'll be the same size as the original, and I'm using it as the test bed for whether or not it'll go through. It slides in, I kind of wiggle it around, and it gets about this far in, and then I take a third pin, and I use that pin to, let's see if I can show you. I kind of just get in there, and I shove it on each side, gently, just a little bit at a time, until I get it through. And it goes through until about that much shows. That's as far as I can get it by pushing, because I don't want to push too far, because if I exert too much upward force down there, I might crack the screen, which I'd have to buy a $200 screen. I don't want that. So that procedure gets us far enough to see that much exposed. From there, I took my wire strippers, just for this, just for the needle nose plier function, and it has a flat area on it, and very gently, with the least amount of force necessary to grip it, I started pulling it through very slowly, and I was able to pull it through. And after that, it would just be a matter of plugging the flexi cable into the port and sticking that down. So that is the procedure I worked out for replacing the menu return button flex cable, if you have to, without lifting up the screen, because it's, from what I've seen in other videos, damn near impossible to lift the screen up itself, not the glass, but the actual ammo LED, without destroying it. So there you go. I didn't see this anywhere else, and I thought I'd share this procedure I came up with, and I hope it helps someone. Alright, thanks for watching.